Too much asha for mema obibia akwaba ede bagana wahala dwumadie yi eso munia ba ekwesi kapa misin konya se dia na mo amunim se ensem ena abana ensem ni nyina so yedomu esuko epani nyina ne pomasi bre ewo ye fidie kasie yi eso na yenua bema bia wono so no wo ye blogger o sanso so ensem troni ene dia ekeka ehun na wakwaka asembi amana no ayi ni campaign amanka yenim se efuto hen sakra nipa ne moment so hwe na social media and telefo ama wasaba abonte with another prediction such as go viral all the social media platforms na ebusuan form mama yembonra ensem no emu Kofi Adoma wawani said your moamunim no woye obi atese wodi mu ba ne journalism adwuma ehun a woye ade ewo hu eye pan na yenua be men na woye former Adom TV presenter as say wono a oni ne online TV aye Kofi TV na yenua be meyi abusuafo mo be kaya wotaba bonten de issues and as say BBC a go on so ekoko twetwe wo mo nkomo nipa na asem na si ewo ne bia ye ho na de keka ho no wo like ohia ene wo mo nyina edisa nkita ho no na ebusua mo sabe kai bie ma ebra ye wo lockdown mo na say mampanyi start nations address or certificate the first one second one third one the 10th address ana anka ebeba abonten no yenua be mai ebebe predict dito and someone mampanyi eba wo beba ba beka yet what Ghana ye twen fellow Ghanaians eba ya so a de Kofi Adoma bebeka ye eno na mampanyi so ebe hwiegu wo jurudududu ehwa na si id fo mpani fo se abranti ebrei na adan a eba na sen ena mampanyi nsem utimi bebe kan yansa na mampanyi eba beka enti bra na bebe yi wo ho ano enti ene wo mo twen dese koko piemu wo CID headquarters ekoko jeje na no asem ekoko tie ne nsem a anase de wo ekafa de wo mo de enti a wo koko kire no ehun na abranti yi ko ya wo ne wo koko di nkita wo so no ye hu de esi ye de ye hu ya ne se ye ja no se wonye de won ko no akwankwa ye boni bi se de ba yi nyankopon ja wo ba dwamanfo ne se won ko no saa susu na CID fo eja Kofi Adoma se won ko akwa ye nsem twironi ebia na wote ye na wonim se bia wo kan de aye yi ne mampanyi de kokobo mtiwe ye kokobo wo mo de ma no se won hwe ne hu ye na wansan akwankwa ko repeat ebiem nanso enne de je se abrante wanterefo ewo ye kokoba CID for empany for the man no efa mampanyi 10th address award ma the nation Ghana no one for ewo ho ama say there was am making another predictions na the prediction as they say the word ababetu edwakrampo any say there is a possible lockdown which will win MPP 2020 election when NNN someone say what they are to a jana just who ne sem about to mampanyi wo be said nkunim and wo be fan frank ano de gina so ne the battle is the Lord ne de jai wo de be die him e wo man Ghana mo ne obehwe ni fita abose ankasa de ntina wo kasa wo se wo hu ne sem lockdown yi like said the Ghana for COVID ye lockdown ebe sa babiem na lockdown eba de ya free water yebenya enso free ebiem nsuso no nkania nsuso no said the mampanyi tere imanti bi no nsuso no ode nkania eche ebinum na ebinum nsuso no wotiti ebinum de so wo ye wo mte say high sense wo matiti so say huhuhu no wo hu ne say lockdown esa eba biema say djuma na ena mampanyi ebesan edi na say wotimi tete sa enoma we so ebema Ghana fo addo mampanyi eno betu chama no wo membeto lollipop de wo nyina be ye ne wo membe celebrate mampanyi ebi embada na ebiem nsusu no ebema mampanyi enko a ena enya akonya no ene Ghana fo akasa say dem di kan no fellow Ghanaians ene da bia ye beti no ye tell so ye radio stations so no da bia ne da wo beba ene ye ababa bedi eye enkomo na dane da Ghana for ehu nanim na wo ma Ghana for nkranhyesem na wo kire yen se den a covid ebekọ na wo nkro ne ba no enu kropo ma Ghana for enya rehwemu bi ewo nimu se still mampanyin wo dwen Ghana for eho enam de ekoso ni ntine ebema still na no wasan so enya ye nipa no dodo na mu arehwemu mama sa akwakoto aba esan ede amano na ebusua kakum yaginu kokonu mama nkotie ensem a Kofi Adoma wode etu eja.
People keep sending me this question. Say, Kofi, the figures are going too high. COVID-19 figures no costro. What are the chances? I buy best lock it down one now and all that. And I'm like, this question is a question I would do, but lockdown or no lockdown, as I said, Oshena Obo Hobai. You can personally decide to lock yourself down. Economic situation is difficult in Tinedu baby yana adding kakra for you to lock yourself down. But the mechanic say yes, chances of lockdown hopa. And once again, I will say this is a scenario. What will happen if just after the voters registration exercise, the government comes out to say, sir, Ghana for Masweden, you can say more observable social distancing, you can say more observable protocols, no, Obia and Fanya Juma. And the figures no stroke and echo, Nipa Ewu no Edoson. And so we can revive an economy, but we can't revive human beings who are dead. And based on numbers, and okay, costro any yasua adding, or lucky country net down. What will you say? Is it possible? Today, I'm just thinking aloud. Secondly, if it locks down, it means campaign into me and shada any active, sir. What it will mean is, abayen bekoswana wa any duty na waba TV so abe address it. No rallies ena ebekoso. Ghana for beshasi ya lock it down. Abayen beka say okay, mama mo free water bill, mama mo we yamamu goodies, kakra, we. People will start clapping for the government. Oh, another idea of Ghana for he's very sensitive. Once again, let me state here, say, I'm just thinking aloud. I'm not saying anything, I'm just thinking aloud. What it will mean, they say, yes, Ghanaians will fall in love with the MPP. Ghana for Akuma, ever call MPP home more. Say, Abaya idea, or home. COVID-19 mu nyema mu ayeden enti ne bosha hodo a wo share ne wantumi ani so kra na nye ono a wiase nyina challenge and na ya ade sese wa ma yensuo wa ma ya aduane ewom se lockdown ho ne nso no odwen ye ho. Yes, it will make them people look good. And what will the NDC do? How will they be able to do their campaign? That means Biden say omonso between your campaign. I'm still thinking aloud. My granny sipa, I'll tell you my mind, what I think. But the Americans is here, I'm just thinking aloud. Say, what if after the voters registration exercise, Nana Addo Babonten say, figures na kwasoro Ghana for yaso eden, yentie yenyisu protocols on any ade, until we lock it down. No campaign, movements are restricted. No shall say change you might be an idea. Indirectly, or your campaign. The NDC cannot do likewise. And I'm just thinking aloud. Ghana.
Say, I know this no ever better abonti and I just a watch mu when it say no Ghana for swire ding. Ghana for swire ding second one what day a year can kura fra crampo was one one. Now a year measures no what my dream say. One will end this one day say lockdown no 8 me back after year registration, voters ID registration after year by August. Na say year jumedi no man penny the lockdown no eshisha so dear near jai. hey we dey sell the wakra e de ma MPP for aba no won betintim dia ma mo said obi anani afra na ne obi akokogina ho no koya no de akwakosi so because when yan kane free when yan enso free entia no crampo ebe ma NDC MPP assign arini ebi mama NDC edi enchom na what this same way etu eja ewe na Ghana for no say adebio abrantie yi oye okay pa bibia de na kom oye sure say yeah na yini bi ebi ntitin firi mu because what can say we am say for aba cho pen na say na so sa the same way bi aba to eja adebio hwehwe won sem ye hwe dia wo keka ni ye pa because say we so etimi ba mu pa say dia wo kan pa dia ene na che say ensem e wo honum na abusua mo ma yentie eye adwentwe no bi eba ye yenya bi ade awode eba ye or say you think free water, free electricity and other things is going to guarantee them to win, then it is a lie. They will never win. They are rather going to be defeated one time. So at the end, so free say so free and can hear free. And now ebe mama mpenya we ni ene obwa ye bedem ensusu enya de se beto ede amanu enti won bedi ntwo wono susu ede no timi se wa kasa no wutimi hu angela wa kasa ede afrim yenu abi so ede awode e buy or say hey I think you don't want to attract another invitation by the Criminal Investigation Department abi you this guy there you don't learn from your mistakes so ono so ede eno no ohun de say eye Kofi Adoma wonsua eye ade emfem free eye ne mfon so ana say nyoma bi a akọ ede tia no ehun da enti no wono de wanya den won hwe na no ene kasa eyim yenu abi so ede wode e buy or say these journalists there you can't tell how they get their source of information but it will be unprofessional for them to betray themselves because they only know where they get their information from and also idea and who they say yeah the work can if you know when you so you see the friend you cast obeto boabo 199 esi ebi so enti one nim baby when you information free and unti na work asa and same way enti we no ebetimi aba said the work can no kra and sam yeni abi so idea what they eba ye yemfa eno ni yemfa enti was saying you people think Mahama is going to lose. But let me tell you, this your fellow Ghanaians stands address wouldn't stop us from voting for Mahama. Let me tell you again, Mahama is going to win. President Akufo Addo, you are sleeping and you will sleep till you are defeated or not so edia what they eba ye eno we ene eye adwuncheni bi a eba ye fa eye Kofi Adoma won weni ye nua bema wada Kofi TV ne nsam o de ebebetu dwa no ano woni no ye adwen e won nsam a wo kan hu anasa woni no enye adwen ebiem so hu ne se abrante ne kokobo ejenwere wo hwehwe se eye si adifo ensan ebemeso ne mu ebiem na wo muntimi manne nnuama anasa wo muntimi manne restrictions bi emfa ensam a wo keka no wonu na wodi eye sa edwuma no se de wadwen etwewu esi efabia fabra e wo tuma gh comment section na ebiem so timi share videos no edema anuanom ene adofonom wo pesa wo support eye edwumadi ya wo betimi afa number na eda eye screen no so na ye no wo edi inkita wo de wo babin so apese ye bo ho eye de ro ede amount so wo betimi ede aba na ya ye ede amount mi amidi edwumadi ho chia mi midin ene akua sikapa that's na ye besa na hia